Want to know the secrets to becoming a millionaire? Stay tuned because we're about to reveal the top skills that can make you rich and successful quickly. Becoming a millionaire takes work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind, live life on your terms, and finally achieve your wildest dreams, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive right in. Alright guys, first up we've got financial literacy. Think of this as the foundation of your millionaire mansion. Financial literacy is all about understanding how money works, how to manage it, grow it, and make it work for you, not against you. We're talking budgeting like a boss, investing like a pro, and understanding things like interest rates and compound growth. We'll break it down step by step with real-life examples and actionable tips you can use right away. Trust me, master this skill, and you'll be way ahead of the game. Next up is a skill that's crucial whether you're an entrepreneur, an employee, or just want to get what you want in life: sales. Sales is all about persuasion, influence, and understanding people's needs. Imagine being able to sell anything. Your ideas, your products, even yourself. That's the power of sales skills. Get ready to level up your communication game and watch the opportunities roll in. They say your network is your net worth, and boy is that true. In today's interconnected world, networking is more important than ever. It's not just about attending stuffy events and handing out business cards. It's about building genuine relationships with people who can help you reach your goals. We'll show you how to network like a pro, build your online presence, and leverage social media to connect with influencers and mentors in your field. Get ready to expand your circle of influence and open doors you never thought possible. Listen up, future millionaires, because this next skill is a game changer. Digital marketing is how you get your message, your product, your brand in front of millions of potential customers online. We're talking social media marketing, SEO, email marketing, content creation, the works. It's about understanding your target audience, crafting compelling content, and using data to drive results. Get ready to harness the power of the internet and watch your business soar to new heights. Let's face it, guys, technology is eating the world. Coding and tech skills are no longer optional, they're essential. Whether you want to build the next billion-dollar app, automate your finances, or simply understand how the digital world works, learning to code is like having a superpower. Get ready to future-proof your career and unlock a world of opportunity. Ever noticed how the most successful people are also incredible communicators? That's no coincidence. Public speaking is a skill that can make or break your success. Whether you're pitching to investors, leading a team, or just sharing your ideas with the world, the ability to articulate your thoughts clearly and confidently is priceless. Get ready to find your voice, command attention, and inspire action. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, right? Yet some people manage to achieve 10 times more than others. The secret? Time management. It's not about cramming more tasks into your day, it's about prioritizing, delegating, and optimizing your time for maximum productivity. Get ready to ditch the overwhelm and achieve peak performance. Chapter 8. Negotiation skills. Get what you deserve. Life is a negotiation, from salary negotiations to business deals, to even deciding where to eat dinner. Mastering the art of negotiation can save you money, get you ahead in your career, and help you get what you want out of life. Get ready to level up your confidence and become a master negotiator. Leadership: inspire, motivate, achieve. True leaders don't just command, they inspire. Leadership skills are essential whether you're running a company, leading a team, or even just leading yourself. It's about setting a vision, motivating others, and creating a positive and productive environment. Get ready to unlock your leadership potential and make a real impact. Chapter 10. Adaptability. Thrive in the face of change. The only constant in life is change, right? In today's fast-paced world, being adaptable is no longer a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. Get ready to become a master of adaptation and thrive in any situation. Unlock your millionaire potential. So there you have it. The top 10 skills that can help you unlock your millionaire potential and achieve financial freedom faster than you ever thought possible. Start by mastering one skill at a time, take action, and never give up on your dreams. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on achieving success and wealth.